Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NBC Sports on Fire TV step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Fire TV device. Once your Fire TV is on, navigate to the home screen. Using the remote, scroll down to find the search option. Type in NBC Sports using the on-screen keyboard. Select the NBC Sports app from the search results. On the app page, click on the download button to install the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch the NBC Sports app. The app may prompt you to sign in or create an account. If prompted, enter your credentials or follow the instructions to create a new account. Once logged in, you will receive an activation code on your screen. Keep the Fire TV screen visible and grab a separate device like a smartphone or computer. Open a web browser on your separate device. Visit the activation website provided in the app, usually nbcsports.com/activate. Enter the activation code shown on your Fire TV screen. Follow any additional prompts or login information required on the website. After successfully entering the code, return to your Fire TV. The NBC Sports app will automatically refresh and log you in. You can now enjoy your favorite sports content on NBC Sports. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also try restarting the Fire TV and attempting the activation process again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.